Welcome to our channel. Pinterest app giving you trouble? Follow these troubleshooting steps to fix app issues and login errors for seamless pinning. Step 1. Force close Pinterest app completely. Remove from recent apps to ensure clean restart when you reopen the application. Step 2. Check your internet connection quality. Pinterest requires stable connection for loading images and creating boards. Step 3. Clear Pinterest app cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Pinterest, Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Step 4. Update Pinterest to latest version. Visit App Store and install updates that may contain important bug fixes. Step 5. Verify your login credentials. Try logging in through Pinterest.com to confirm your email and password are correct. Step 6. Check if account is suspended. Review email for any Pinterest communications about account violations or restrictions. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy connections. Pinterest may block access from certain VPN servers for security reasons. Step 8. Delete and reinstall Pinterest app. Complete removal and fresh installation often resolves persistent app problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.